Alrighty, hi there math friends. So I wanted to make a quick review on the three types of angle pair relationships that we had talked about. And again, I just kind of put together a little bit of a mixed review. We're going to talk about all three: complementary, adding up to 90 degrees, supplementary, making a straight line, and vertical, where they are across from each other and they are equal. So I'm going to run through that checklist and see what happens when you've got your two angle pairs. So in number one, I don't see a little box telling me it's 90 degrees, but I do see that they make a straight line. So perfectly straight line is 180 degrees, and they are going to be supplementary. Remember, so those are when they make a straight line and when they add to 180 degrees. So if I know that, I could write an equation here that x plus 120 equals 180, and then I could solve it just like I'm used to solving my equations, or you can use your brain space. That's completely up to you. So x would have to be 60 because 60 plus 120 gives me that 180. So again, that's supplementary. It's when they make a straight line and they add to 180 degrees. So straight line and they add to 180. So let's move on to that number two then. Number two, I take a look and I don't see a 90-degree angle mark, and they do not make a straight line right next to each other, but they are right across from each other, made by intersecting lines. So these two angles are going to be what we call vertical angles, and they are going to be equal to each other. So these are vertical, and that is when the angles are across from each other and they are equal. Or you can say congruent, either one, whichever word works in your brain space. So here, x would just equal 119 because the angles are equal. This angle is going to be equal to this angle, and you can check back. That is from Unit 4, Lesson 4. And the other ones are from Unit 4, Lesson 3. So if you want to refresh yourself on vertical angles. So again, that's vertical, is when they are across from each other by intersecting lines and they are equal. So that moves us on to our last one, our last type of angle pair, which I see I have that 90-degree marker in the corner. So they are going to be complementary. Complementary, which means they're going to add to 90. My goodness, misspoke there for a second. So x plus 55 is going to equal 90 because they make a right angle, and we know that a right angle is 90 degrees, and it'll always have that little box in the corner. So again, if you want to solve it like you're used to when you're solving equations, just subtract 55 on both sides, or again, use your brain space. X would be 35. I'm going to give myself a little space to write 35 because 35 plus 55 gives me that 90 degrees. So again, complementary is when they are a right angle, 90 degrees. So let's go through those three again. Supplementary, straight line, 180. Vertical, they are across and they are equal. And then number three, when they're complementary, when they make a right angle. So again, I'm going to put three examples up that are a little bit harder still on the next page. But again, those are the three types of relationships you need to know: complementary, supplementary, and vertical. Alrighty, so these three are a little bit harder, but you are more than welcome to use your algebra skills. Two of them are supplementary and one of them is vertical. I didn't put a complementary one in here because you guys are pretty good with the 90 degrees. So let's take a look at these. I see a straight line. I see a straight line. And I see that these are vertical. They are across from each other. So if you want to pause it and try on your own, that would be awesome sauce. If not, you can go ahead and follow along with the algebra for solving these angles. So I know that with 12 and 13, they both make straight lines. So x plus 12 plus 140 will have to equal 180. I can then combine my like terms, leaving that x there. 152 equals 180, and then look at that. I have a simple one-step equation by subtracting 152 on both sides, leaving me with 28. So x would be 28. And we can use the same logic as we are going through in number 13 by knowing that it makes a straight line. So I know it's a little difficult to see here, but you've got this angle here as well as the bigger angle that all combine together to make a straight line. So if I just take away those markings so I can clearly see the numbers, I can see that I have at my x minus 47, and I have this 8-degree angle here that's going to add together to make that 180 degrees. Again, remember, a straight line is 180. I'm going to combine my like terms. Negatives 47 plus 8. You can use your handy-dandy calculator, or you can absolutely use your brain space to know that that's a negative 39 or a minus 39. And then you can solve it just like you do a one-step equation. Bring down the x, add 39 to both sides, add 39 using your mental math, carry the 1. X is 219. If you want to clean it up a little bit, you're welcome to do that as well. So similarly, in 12 and 13, they were both supplementary or making a straight line, which is 180 degrees. And then as I look to number 14, I did it in red, just like I did on the last screen with the vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal. So here, 2x plus 10 is going to be equal to 80. These are vertical, so they are equal to each other. And again, look at that. I've got that two-step equation. Bringing that on down, doing what I do on both sides. So this can go hasta la bye-bye. 80 minus 10 is 70, and then I'm left with 2x equals 70. Divide by the number in front of the x, divide by 2 on both sides, so x is 35. So this review video was meant for you to see how you can not only use those angle relationships, but also what we've talked about before with algebra. So ask yourself those questions. Are they make a right angle? That makes them complementary. Do they make a straight line? That makes them supplementary. Or are they across from each other from intersecting lines? That makes them vertical. So again, 3 angle relationships: complementary, supplementary, and vertical. If you have any questions, please, please, please send me an email. As always, it's a great day to have a great day. Bye.